Hey guys, welcome back to Shiloh's Temple. In this video, I'm showing you how to do some knotless boho braids for your toddler or your kid. It's very easy. I didn't even use the whole pack, so just stay tuned to see how we did these braids. So this style is very simple, it's very easy to do, it's very versatile. You can wear it up, you can wear it down. It's simple, it doesn't take long, it's easy to do for beginner moms or moms that don't know how to braid too well. This is very easy and affordable. So I'm going to start by doing a part from ear to ear and then a part down the center. This is just the easiest way that we can braid. And I'm going to use this hair right here. This is lustrous. It comes with 2 packs in there, and it comes with like 16 strands within these little strands that come in there. So you can see it right here. It's already pre-separated. This is synthetic hair. It's not human hair. So I ended up cutting it in half. I did it without cutting it in half, and it was just way too long for my liking since she's 3 years old. So I ended up just cutting that in half. So I'm just going to start this off just like I'm doing a regular braid, just like you would do any knotless braids. And I'm just going to add the hair in right up close. So once you get, if it depends on the length of the natural hair is when you're going to start adding in the hair. So I added them in pretty close up the top because her hair is a little bit shorter in the back. But once I get to the front, you're going to see a difference in where I add in the hair. So each part I'm using 3 pieces. I'm also using Style Factor Edge Booster at the root just to make everything smooth, and I'm also adding that Style Factor Edge Booster on the ends so it can blend seamlessly into the ends as well. So you're just going to braid that down to the end. Now I tried to do like a knot thing at the end. It just did not work for me. So I just added some more product and just the ends just stayed sealed just like that. So you can do whatever you prefer, but it just did not work for me. So I'm kind of doing like this brick method. It's not going to be a whole lot of rolls. I'm doing it pretty big because she's a child and children do not like to sit for a long time. So you want to do styles that's going to last, but it's going to be easy on you and the child. So it's about 4 rows in the back, and this is what it looks like. I also did the other side as well, so you can see how I did that. And it has the natural curl on the end. She was excited right here. Got a little smile out of her for once. And then I went on to the top. So you can see how I'm adding the hair in at the top, since the top of her hair is a little bit longer than the back, because you know when they're babies the back of their hair fall out. So the top is a little bit longer. So I added the first piece in kind of close to the top, and then I'm going to braid down a little bit more before I add the second piece. Now up the top, or if it's a little bit longer and you cut the hair in half, you could also add another piece of hair in. Like I said, I'm only using like 3 strands, but I think some of them I may have did 4 strands just so the curl could be on the end because her hair was a little bit longer at the top. So I didn't make all of these like boho. I just did the front because I didn't know how this hair was going to last because it's synthetic. But she's had it in for about a week and a half now, and it's been holding up pretty well. So I probably could have done more curly pieces out, but I just didn't know, so I didn't. So I just did the front. But if you do want to add some curly pieces sticking out, all you got to do is just the same thing. Just add the hair in and then take a little piece of the curl and leave it out and continue your braid and continue on. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty cute, and I love how the curl is, since it's supposed to be like a 4C curl. Somebody actually thought that this, I think it's a 3C curl, I'm sorry, but somebody actually thought this was her hair, like all of her natural hair, because it just looks so natural. finished product right here. I pretty much got all of her hair done. This is how it looks with the little boho in the top and the little curls on the end. I did trim it a little bit just to get some of the little scraggy pieces off. And I also used some foam to put through, and I don't even know if the foam really did anything, but I just wanted to put it in there anyway because I'm just used to putting foam on braids. So I put that through just to kind of make it a little bit more sealed on the end. So like I said, she can wear this hairstyle down. You can put a little headband on your child. It works either way. I was trying to get her to look up at the camera so you can get a better view, but she was giving me a little bit of a hard time. So you can wear this to the side, like a little side part like that, or you could put it up in a ponytail if you want to. She was not trying to let me get a good view. Here's the back right here, and you can see the length of the back is not that long, so it's very toddler friendly. Like I said, she's 3 years old, so I don't want her to have hair just all hanging down her back. So it's whatever you prefer. If you have an older kid and you want it to be a little bit longer, you can do that. So I ended up adding these little white rubber bands in the front. I love these little white rubber bands. I put these on her little boho faux locks that I did. You can check out that video as well. But yeah, I love that because just to give it like a little bit of a look, you know, you could use like those little gold things to put in, and ended up just putting it up in a bun. So I wanted to show you what it looks like up and what it looks like down. I typically put her hair up in a ponytail because she just will just do the most with it, and it tends to last longer when it's just up in a bun out of her face. So this is what it looks like right here. Very cute, very kid friendly. So make sure you guys like Shiloh's Temple. Make sure you leave a comment or question. Check out the other videos that she have on the channel. Very kid friendly hairstyles. This hairstyle should last about 6 weeks. Yeah, no, it's very, very easy, very cheap, very affordable for you to do on your child. So see you later. Bye.